Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll discuss about the configuration of environment for Django framework. So how to create the virtual environment and how to install the Django. So that we will discuss. In previous video we have discussed about the introduction part of Django. So let's discuss the configuration portion. Okay. So Django environment setup. So how to set up the Django environment. So for that there are prerequisites something, so that we need at least Python 3.4 or higher version, and this will manage by pip3 manage packages. Okay, so now what is virtual environment? Virtual environment is considered as the virtual Python environment builder, which is used to create the multiple Python virtual environment side by side. Okay, this is the importance. I mean, we can use this facility by creating the virtual environment. Okay, so how to install the virtual environment? So there is a simple command, pip install virtual env virtual environment virtual env. So let's start. So go to the folder that I have made, see, and write cmd, and here we can use the command pip install install pip install virtual env virtual environment. Okay, pip install virtual environment and hit enter. So see, it is already, the requirement is already satisfied because I have already installed. So this is in my case, and after that, once this is installed, in your case you can install by using this command. It will take some time only. Okay, so now once it is installed, we can create the new virtual environment into same folder or new folder by using these commands. So I'll install in the same folder. If you think, then you can make the another folder. Okay, so then we will use this command. Okay, just copy this one and see, requirement is already satisfied, no problem. Okay, virtual 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 env virtual env, hit enter. So then we go to the folder, and it is created some venv folder. Okay, so go to the script, and see, after that what we'll do, see, once it is done, then to activate the corresponding environment, use the following commands on Windows operating system. Okay, venv script activate. Okay, so either we can use this command, or simply what we'll do, we'll go to the psm activate file, that is the PowerShell script psm file. This is the psm file activate, and go to the here, and just we can drag and drop and hit enter. No, I think we have we drag and drop the another file. See, power one second. So this is the file, this Windows batch file and Windows PowerShell file. Okay, so what we'll do, will Django ps1, no, I think we can use another file, this one activate. So see, we can use this file, activate this file. This is the Windows batch file. We can drag and drop, and now once we drag and drop and hit enter, so the environment is activated. Okay, so now go to the file and see, and once it is activated, then we will install the Django, pip install django. So write the command pip install django django and hit enter. Okay, so it will take couple of minutes only, and Django will be installed. Okay, so it will take few minutes only. Meanwhile, we can discuss. So far we have used pip install virtual environment for creating the virtual environment, and then we can we have created the virtual environment in the same folder. If you need, then you can make the new folder and move to that folder, mkdir new is the folder name, and then cd is the change directory, and new is the directory that we have created. We can move, and then we apply this command, and once this is done, then we can activate using this one. Okay, or I have shown you that how can you drag and drop the activate batch file, then it will be activated. Then Django will be, then we will use this command pip install Django, and it will install. Okay, so now it is installed already. What is telling the warning? You are using pip 2.3, however 20.1 is available, so no problem, we can update by using some commands. I have already, we have made one video how to update your existing version of pip to the newer version. I'll paste the link of that video also, and the command that we have used in this video, so you can take from there only. Okay, so how to check? Now Django is installed, and then how to check? This is the simple command. We can check that Django is installed. Okay, so see, copy, and we can write. Okay, so Python, python Python minus m django django hyphen version. Okay, and hit enter. See, it is 3.0.6, and one this is the another way. If we go to the, so for that write Python and hit enter. So we will in Python environment. So what we do, we'll import Django, import import django django import django, and hit enter. Now we'll print, for the printing of the version, so we'll use this command, and here see it is also printing 3.0.6. so we can use either way, or this, either this command or these things. Okay, so that's all about how to configure the virtual environment and install Django framework. Okay, so in the coming video we will discuss how to create the app in the Django framework. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.